Lost wallet at the railway station.
Excuse me, I think I have lost my wallet here at the railway station.
I am sorry to hear that. Please do not worry. I will help you.
Thank you very much. I cannot find it anywhere.
When did you last see your wallet?
About 15 minutes ago, before I bought my train ticket.
Do you remember where you were standing?
Yes, I was near the ticket machines over there.
I understand. What does your wallet look like?
It is black, small, and made of leather.
Does it have anything special inside?
Yes, it has my ID card, bank cards, and some cash.
Thank you. That information is very helpful.
I feel really worried because I need my ID.
That is understandable, but many lost wallets are returned.
I hope someone found it and gave it to the station staff.
Let me check with our Lost and Found office.
Thank you. I really appreciate your help.
Please wait here for a moment. I will check our records.
Of course. I will wait here.
Thank you for waiting. I checked, but no wallet has been reported yet.
Oh, that is sad. But thank you for checking.
You are welcome. We can still make a lost wallet report.
Yes, please. I would like to report it.
Can you tell me your full name?
My name is Jackson Smith.
Thank you. Can I have your phone number too?
Yes, my phone number is 555-2489.
Great. I have written it down.
Will you call me if someone brings my wallet?
Yes, we will contact you as soon as we receive it.
That makes me feel much better.
Do you remember exactly what time you noticed it was missing?
It was around 10 o'clock this morning.
Thank you. I have added that to the report.
Is there anything else I should do?
Yes. Please check your bank cards if they are inside the wallet.
Good idea. I will keep an eye on my bank account too.
If you do not find your wallet today, you may also contact your bank.
I understand. I will do that if necessary.
Here is a copy of your lost wallet report.
Thank you. This will be very useful.
I hope your wallet is found soon. Good luck.
Thank you for your kindness and help. Have a wonderful day. Taxi to the airport.
Excuse me, are you available to take me to the airport?
Yes, of course. Please get in. I will take you there.
Thank you. I am a little worried about the time.
No problem. We still have some time. What time is your flight?
My flight is at 3 o'clock this afternoon.
That sounds good. What time does check-in close?
Check-in closes 1 hour before the flight.
I understand. We will do our best to get there on time.
Thank you. I really do not want to miss my flight.
Please do not worry. I know the fastest roads to the airport.
That makes me feel much better.
I have driven many people to the airport.
That is great. You must know this route very well.
Yes, I drive this way almost every day.
Is the traffic heavy today?
A little, but I know another road with less traffic.
That is wonderful. Thank you for choosing the better road.
You are welcome. I always try to help my passengers.
I packed everything last night, but I still feel nervous.
That is normal before a flight. Many people feel the same.
I guess I'm not the only one.
Definitely not. You are in good company.
I also checked my passport 3 times this morning.
That is a smart idea. It's better to be careful.
Yes, I do not want to forget anything important.
Everything will be fine. Just relax and enjoy the ride.
Thank you. You are very kind.
It is my pleasure. Your comfort is important to me.
How much longer will it take?
About 20 minutes if the traffic stays light.
That is good news.
Yes, we are making good time.
I can already feel less worried.
I am happy to hear that.
I can see the airport signs now.
Yes, we are almost there.
Thank you for driving safely and quickly.
You are very welcome. Safety always comes first.
I think I will arrive before check-in closes.
Yes, you will have enough time for check-in.
That is a big relief. Thank you so much.
I hope you have a pleasant flight and a wonderful trip.
Thank you. Have a great day and drive safely too. Asking the boss for leave.
Good morning. May I speak with you for a moment?
Good morning. Yes, of course. What can I help you with?
I would like to ask for a day off next Friday.
Certainly. May I ask the reason?
I have a family event that day.
I understand. Is it something important?
Yes, my whole family will be there.
Thank you for telling me.
I did not want to ask at the last minute.
I appreciate that. It helps us plan the work.
I will finish my important tasks before I leave.
That is very responsible of you.
I can also help my team before my day off.
That would be very helpful.
I do not want anyone to have extra work because of me.
Thank you. I appreciate your kindness.
Will it be okay if I take leave on Friday?
Let me check the work schedule.
Sure, I can wait.
Thank you for waiting. The schedule looks fine.
That is great to hear.
Yes, you may take leave on Friday.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
You are welcome. Please enjoy your family event.
I will. Thank you for understanding.
No problem. Family is important.
I will return to work on Monday morning.
That sounds good.
If anything is urgent, you can call me.
Thank you. I hope that will not be necessary.
I have already finished today's work.
Excellent. Thank you for your hard work.
I will also send my work notes to the team.
That is a very good idea.
I want everything to be ready before I leave.
I appreciate your good planning.
Thank you again for approving my leave.
You are very welcome.
I hope you have a great weekend.
Thank you. Have a wonderful time with your family.
I will. See you on Monday.
See you on Monday. Take care.
Visiting the school office.
Good morning. I need some information about the school.
Good morning. I am happy to help you. What would you like to know?
I want to ask about student services.
Of course. What service do you need?
I am a new student and I have a few questions.
That is perfectly fine. Please ask anything.
Where can I get my student ID card?
We make student ID cards here in the school office.
That is great. What do I need to bring?
Please bring your passport or another photo ID.
Do I need to bring a photo?
No, we will take your photo here.
That is easy. Thank you.
You are welcome. Do you have any other questions?
Yes. How can I get my class schedule?
We can print your class schedule for you.
That would be very helpful.
I just need your student number.
Here it is.
Thank you. I found your information.
Great. Can I also ask about the school library?
Of course. Every student can use the library.
Do I need a library card?
No. Your student ID card is also your library card.
That is very convenient.
Yes, you can borrow books with it.
How long can I keep the books?
You can keep them for 2 weeks.
That sounds good.
Is there anything else you would like to know?
Yes. Where can I get help if I have problems with my classes?
You can visit the Student Support Office.
Is it in this building?
Yes, It is on the second floor.
Thank you for telling me.
You are welcome. Before you leave, please fill out this simple form.
No problem. It looks easy.
Yes, it will only take a few minutes.
I have finished the form.
Excellent. Everything is complete now.
Thank you for all your help today.
It was my pleasure. Have a wonderful day at school.